Mixer iyo wochoganya chirangi wikabuno uragani wochoganire irangiriga asedukeniga ya Uhuru Superstores na wokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwa yenyora bwikirano tutarire rero eliwe nyorere abamanyi abigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomete use kire kibyasara njibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumigite chirangi cha Crown Paints edukeniga ya Uhuru Superstores yerotoka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumu churigo musongo iyirange neduka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyiwe angene ringi ya Credit Bank asamage bakire simbe traseti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Vipi, mbona mbota hapa? Nini shida?
Unajikuta nani mshikaji wangu? Yaani unaweza ukavaa ujasiri kiasi cha kwamba unaweza kutoka na wadogo zetu kwa mada zetu ambao tunawategemea baadaye waje kuwa watu wakubwa, afu unakuja kuwachezea kirahisi. Oya, Omboi. Sikiliza nikwambie. Bi mkubwa anapata tabu kinoma noma kumsomesha ubinti. Si unanielewa? Mimi napambana kinoma noma na kaba huko mzee kwa sababu mdogo wangu mimi aishi vizuri. Afu boya mshamba kama wewe unakaa na pumbavu wenzako mnashawishiana kuja kutongoza dogo zetu. Hivi si wangu, naomba nikuulize. Kuna wanawake wangapi uko wanajiuza? Mpaka wengine wanatimuliwa katika madangulo. Serious, unakuja kutembea na mwanafunzi?
Mwanchomo rigerali werire byandonsi asolgere tigeta seni kiga giagatembe TV kini kionga chinsa ibire asenchira ayobo kireno aswa kwareganiri amange umwanchwa umurigerali kubo mono mangana nali yogo ichane buda abantu babire nigo baso asenya gitare mame muchibo songo nagotema komoita omurwairo yomo oyure senya gitari yu mugaka bwe myaka 30 nebire orabotaga to kubwatiri mwanchomo leto nagabotaga kumanyia aso obo kireno asechinga kichire moto njeni ngor kwaroni toto nyangiri otokubatana kwanza mimi imanyirio nigakorwa Wilson Makoli kolende haya negatiana kwalganiria magaro ya lero.
The evaluations is ongoing as we speak, so we should be having that 340 hostel capacity here and we will continue.
Eskuru yobundi yaliragia gutwara umuyiga bokobekerwa egutwa omotangana ma yorawa no mwasiri Julius Migosi ogamba.
Mheshimiwa Dickson Machungo Mogaka nere nabekere kina ase nomination yae asoko represent abantu bali marginalized
amabaga abereye birugo by'obwamsiye kuraligwa kobabusa ase ebunge gose county ya Nyamira.
There is going to be a public holiday was just meant to torture her.
Omunachi ebina omonene David Kenani maraga kumwegerera Rosi Ncheri. Mwanchumo rigerelie kionga chinsa ibere nigo togochaka nengana yogo ichania kurwa asenya gitari yamo ime yomochie obosongo ase abantu babiri gusaba kigorobere abanyara kwa bako bwatwa na gusiekerwa ase gitaseni kyabanyimbo kyanyanjwa magega yogo tebekana goso asenya gitari eyemo na kotaka kumobeta omurwiro yomo omugaka bwe myaka 30 ebere gose 53 nebere 82 ase banyara kwa abako taka kutumeka mworoki wa oyo muyo gusomera munyagitari esego tabanga ni ba mwachi shilingi chiribu 10 na boga ba mwa esimi riranya kabaga kubwata chibicha riria kunyara kabaga gukora ekori kyo goichania kuri no mworoki wo yo gusomera munyagitari nigaena na kumanyia ababwatani na oboteneri munyagitari yo bibomu kigitambuga kurangiria abanyanyimbo abanyakaba bagubwata bakigirwa babire bakubaikia se ketaseni ky'abanyanyimbo kyanyanju chingaki ubutuki bwachakigwe
ora itutweriga ryari gukobakana kotigia kwanduanereire ora babisa bane bachamaiga sinyakitari abasongo sikandakiane kugena mayitene mubata lete bachamambia atanga koborio nyoba koboria korende datu ito memenya yakorekana abasikari baito aba administration yose abasongo yatekova abantu babuatu batuka omaleto rwanderere abangabula aba atirasa moko mwana sasa moko serikali yokedira abantu okonya sonsi waseme cheditari kenu yejo mwana wa Yesu Kristo mwali to
mwantu morigereri nengana jogo ichani kigima kurua sayo na nogo sabagwa ito na nokwerengambuya asia mate yo mugako yo na hatanyara kabaga goikerwa na ababegwa abo no botukini kabagarete no robotura betoko kubwatire na kumanyenga ninki anena mano kyanyara kabake gokorekana litukulia lero nigo muwaziri wechisemi musike Julius Migosio gamba anya kabaga kura omuyiga bokobekerwa egutu bwabarokigwa beskuru yo bubundi yiriragia asanja kabaga kura lyabuna nigo agoikira bonaiga abarokigwa bali bagosoma chiskuru cyo bubundi na kwemukia chikosi cyo bubundi na bogo banyora emiremo ase chinsemo asanya kabaga kwaneke buna M53 igoro yemya gusubetani 53 igoro yemya nigo bagochibanya kabakori kwa kurwa chiskuru cyo bubundi gose ekaro chikorengana nigwa amo ne chiskuru chindi gose bali bagosomera emiremo endeme ngoro bati urwarigani mwana mulikito Daniel Ontiri
Ogukwana seskuru yokwena na megerio yobubundi yariragia yigotoka kegogia ase bunge ya Kitutu Chache North county ya Kisii asumwega bokubekerwa egotwa sabarkigwa chimebere noyomo ase ntunde ntangani ogamba nego chinga kicho agokera egetambukirikyo asokwarigania aborokigwa gosoa ase chiro yechigasi nagwekinia asobugima.
Let me take this early opportunity, ladies and gentlemen, to congratulate Riragia Technical and Vocational College for holding its first graduation ceremony where 201 graduates are going to be feted just now.
Uruesegeto hasaboroki wabo utiga gochora emirimo barachi gukora nichinga kecho uruesegeto hasaboroki wabange kwelikia se chikosi chamagoko asekiribuna korengana nubotuki aboroki wa 53 igoro yemya bakonyora chigasega Kenya nkurwa chiskuru chokona megerio yobubundi.
To the graduates, the future belongs to problem solvers, risk takers, creators and doers. Go forth and build. Go forth and innovate. Kenya is yours to transform. Research has shown that 85% of graduates from TVET institutions get either employed or they become employers themselves. So it is something that is worth investing in.
Komenta nayo nyakundi nigakwanirengana igoro yechibese cha matema chiskuru asaboria abayigori bono gotwara obolemu chinga kiwizara yichisemi egendrete gosiga sigerengana yo.
The money meant for examination of our children is in the budget and we cannot even dare remove the money because we know these parents are not able to pay the examination fee and we need our children to go to school and learn.
Okinigwa kwebirengo bichiskuru chorongo rogusi negati yalibwega kwanerwa nabaraye baiga bagokera oboteneri weskuru iga ense ya Paul Makori ikikyanyirire yagendire okorie bya aseboigo yandete kurikia omuboro monene kigima bwaborokigwa.
In 6 years and we have a wonderful structure down there. We have very wonderful workshops. We are now talking about a first graduation to Obinge Makofi, the board. They have done a very good job, Nyagosia and your other people. Please keep it up.
The inspiring vision was to establish a premier center of excellence focused on mechanical engineering, a place where young minds could unlock their full potential through hands-on learning and the development of practical skills. The emphasis there is that it was meant to be a center of excellence in mechanical engineering, and we have equipment that were also provided by the government of Kenya, so we want to appreciate.
Waziri Naroche, Dio Kindo, Kobere National, na Kereri, na Kebirigo. Wano ntuwa getutu, kuruwari daraja mbili, paka charachani. Utale kuligikadi na ogari, na itibogari, sichiwa national schools gani. Wasawa, na ituwa wantu wetu, baibubuya. We want to thank the President of the Republic of Kenya, Mnaba Getutu, for appointing through our MP, our CS. Our CS, sio vibaya, but we also have a lot of, we have seen appointments here.
Nguruba dirigata seni kia gatembe, elitere nenguru kwa Daniel Untiri.
Na humancho muligereri tokerero ikase county ya Nyamira nigo litukulia lero ebikaro bya nyako bigokoreka ime bunge yo ebyo bya nyarakoba abikoyanekia buna nigamabaga abira nyarakoba gakurarigwa ya aba MCA atachinse mecho MCA begori Nyansiongo naboigo MCA Omochore Dennis Machungo aba nyarakoba abakurarigwa kunyarakoba ebirogo byabo bikorarigwa binyarakoba bikurwana rubya kubwatikana amo no gochika wekagambiro boigo nige bunge ya nyarakoba gokonera amange mnagotumanyia omuliki tofauti gadi Desemba.
Amabaga abere yaba MCA abwo ogochoro kwabo wantuguteretware amone kigambero nigo bono arariwe kobabosa ase bunge ye county ya Nyamira okorariwa okoiga ekwabwatukirwe no mokonyi bwo monogeri ase bunge ye county ya Nyamira oyeboigo oromo MCA we ward ya Kemera James Matinga
tangaza ebyo bibere ebyo ekot yatebetenga bashimi wali barengororo waruororo ekamo kyabo nkelikia Nyansiongo ase ekina kyabeke iroyo minto Dennis Kebaso kya mubwete namba ya kabere yo minto mheshimiwa Dickson Machungo Mogaka nere nabekere kina ase nomination yae asoko represent abantu bali bali marginalized, especially the youth yanyorekane tenga kulingana ne kegambero konyoro etani ye miaka elia atakere kobo youth kegambero kekanaje bunarusigwe so neriruberio aliradirie court na yana jeten twanyora lero na aron twatangasa ngekero gekyo kya ya ODM na kira kikyabere bosa
ase ebikaro ebyo bya rero mampya nigo oroboti kurwase komiti yechisemi kurwase county ya Nyamira bakwanira ebirasi bya ECD
rero report tu abate ya mangana ECD classes aso mwaka 2023-2024 mwaka yo tore in question 2023-2024 we talked of only 14 ECD classrooms those are the only things which were done in the year 2023-2024. A demand ibirasi wiri gurumono. Ntibieka kule wodi yane igoba demand ibirasi more than 7 lakini ekama yoga kiabirie kwa watu kurutua titegaiga so mwako ya ese time tule bona iga.
Honorable Speaker, for the last 8 years I've been in this house representing the good people of Samaru. The county government has only done 3 ECD classrooms.
Chingaki echecho ebakwanira ekoroisi wa kwengori ase abana ba ECD ase baganirie omugavana Nyaribo kwene kyabona ase agaya ase ndagira eyo eraroseriwe gutokere ase chisukuru
igo mugavana kerwa take project eyo kwa beka abana ba breakfast beka ni structure ase erondagira eyo ekoroseriwa agia achenu ewato machenu egerete abana oborwaire.
Hingo reporter Getembe kurwase amagacho amanene ye bunge ye county ya Nyamira aya gutuka miye ward ya township e bunge ya West Mugirango Njefatigad Isemba
na omuntu murigereri muna chebina omukoro muna chebina monene omukoro David Maraga litkulia rero niganya kabaga wikira nabo sibwe kambero omocho Nairobi esanyara kaba gakumwegerera omusabati Rose Ncheri oyu obwate tugosobe tubyara kubategana omocho yo gutumeka omutandao be kubategana niganya kabaga korosia omuswada gusika korosia omutandao wase amaboli anyata kaba gakobekwa na mrendi igoro ya omoswada bwechibesa bomwaka 2025-2026 kolengana muna chebina oyo mokoro David Kinani Maraga niganya kwagata amna higa serikali igosaba nyanyimbo anyataka bakumbeka Rose Njeri byara litukule chuma eliko nyarakaba bakomo susura gosaba kumwega susuro oika lituko lya lero abamanyite muna litukuli goro nigo lya lengeli litukuli mutima kona bigambiro mbyere gokora mirimo nigo anyaraka bagosaba omosubati Rose Njeri onyaka bagakobwato kwa limolyoka
Rose Njeri. We have read the charge sheet as senior counsel as eloquently stated. It doesn't disclose unknown offense. Before you came in, we were conferring here and wondering whether Rose should be in the dock or should be somewhere where she's being celebrated for having done a wonderful job. The finance bill requires public participation. Public participation can be achieved in very many ways. And what Rose has done is to bring it to the entire public who may wish to get electronic copies to know what is in the bill. Somebody who has an address and who has had the courage of doing what she did. The police didn't need to arrest her. They just needed to call her and tell her, look, come. We want to prefer charges against you. And she would go to the police station. If there are any charges preferred against her, she would come to court and be charged. But being arrested on Friday, knowing very well that Monday is going to be a public holiday, was just meant to torture her. We pray, Your Honor, that you release her forthwith. Thank you.
na mwanju murigilia bonchirali bechiro ya Kiumbu gotoka se ward ya Kiumbu bunge ya Nyaribari chache niko baiba na mogoko mega yokora ebiragita bigochaga korosia echire ywa anabwo ne chipara chirichi yeta naine bagokwana nyiga gecho niko banyara ka bakorana ni ambuya muno kochia se omamsio wa Peter Mwindi naboigo omugavana we county ya Kisii Muskapo Simbarati ase getambugerekyo ngiyo ko baroseria echire ywa
ntuma mamboga gotwarorira magendera Peter Mwindi wachire gotoroserie ichiru yaitu ya Kiumbu igo twagokira sengencho twakorira magenda ari kwaganiti gokora narogendete gokora
asa marieta ni ngoro kwa mera nimero mama mboga kuri Kiumbu market itikoria rero ria Tuesday gochigari chiachire chikorosi chiro yaitu ya Kiumbu chikobeka kapro siororo bono nkwira ni bageri gwakira omugavana itongambia mono gwitira somo MC itopoi ndoche kapro sina endete kobekwa amagenda ona ente Kiumbu lakini igenteke mongo sabangeria tware konyora estima be kumucho Kiumbu rabe esengenjo Kiumbu ne 24 hours economy ebiasara tokora ntorikorara tokora ebiasara bugakia tonyara konyora tokobekirwa estima esengencho security yabangina mama mboga nariera abe gekogenderera buya igobono tokoira nimbi amono kwani apa yabangina bakiumbu n'abantu bakiumbu ngambi amona asinga ya gavana kubwatera namwe musito poi bagenderete gokora
Mwanju muligere gwikira gwetoka no mutumo kwa mukeigo nto koirana nya gwetoka na ne kionga chinsebe na mangena kwarganania igoto skochar
Superstores Nero eduka asorgo gurigarua South Nyanza yanchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills yuko ya bwatoka uchiase abaonya aiga ntobwate showroom asora achagwirigiria mabati anda usialia utagete showroom yeto nigo engale iyurengia na wigo ekogokia liso yao chingagi ogoswasa kurigiria amabati aiga ntobwate etime tembo abo bagakora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwata chingoro chingiye cyugo kwarigania na wigo cyo tebereye kende gensi uraganie bagotebereye company ya mabati Rolling Mills iko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuari ye chikala ao na wigo ayuwe gabwata chi Proval net gauges ao unamono babwate no corrugated na wigo box corrugated asime ko babwate Dumarang ayuari aye chigech emerungetato asama mabati aliaje chigeche merongibire na isaro nesato mbabwate tile Provels alia au oriental elegantal versatile grows na wigo na versatile mat MRM niko mbabwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na wigo web design mbabwate ligani kabwate chikala buna bono lia Chaco Grey Bricky Red Tile Red Maroon Sky Blue na wigo na green ubutambe bwo mabati yiga niko bokolengana amo nukwenya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi wigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga cyo gwakeranya mabati yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyara kabo gukwerera amabati yo akomenya sivika ayo uchanye warrant na wigo ayo urakoburu wikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Uhuru Superstores yebutoka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex iyo muchigo busongo iyo range nebuka Safaricom wigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwe transit number chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores the people's choice guaranteed lowest prices karibu nyumbani
Mwanchu muligereri karibu asenseme iga ya kabere kionga chinsa ibere na nigoto kwenda limuri kuikase bunge ya senati imemo cha Nairobi ase omo senato mochole kurwase county ya Kisii musubati esi okenyulia nyini anyaga bakakubolia serikali na bwatane ao koja bakwemukia ebitambukiro bya bene kwanekia buna omwana omumurangu sirwale ase anyaleka bakikoreka namna amatuka bwango iga niga mwana ngura anyaleka bagagotigwa magega.
Mr. Speaker, I also wish to support the statement by Senator Mwenda Gataya Mofaya on neglect of the boy child. I think if I actually use former President Barack Obama's words on not being successful when you play half a team, Mr. Speaker, this statement calls on us to refocus on looking at the kind of families we are bringing up because, Mr. Speaker, the future of this country is at stake. I personally come from a conservative community where for a very long time we have celebrated the boy child for purposes of having continuity of our generation, Mr. Speaker. But whatever we are actually seeing directly has a relationship to do with the femicide cases we are seeing in this country, Mr. Speaker. So I wish that we put our heads together and look at the issue of boy-child together, even as we emphasize on the conversation of girls, because the fight against GBV is not in isolation for women. The men are part of us. And for a long time, I've come to actually appreciate that being a man is actually more than having muscles, more than having a deep voice. They're actually seed carriers, Mr. Speaker. So if what is happening continues happening, we risk the future of this generation. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Na mwancho muligerere korwa ase bunge enene litukolia lero nigo egatia bajumbe banyakaba bakomurungania na mono igore bitambikiro bya abagavana kogenderia nebina ao ebikwamereria anana mono obagibwe chibesa nigo banyakaba bakobolia obwasi okukurwa asa abagavana anana mono gekobotebekana mono nigo banyatuka gutwara chingwana na kuigwana na bali kugenderera igoro yobagibwe chibesa echo abajumbe abange gosegatia bajumbe abo nigo banjigenderera gusingira bda kwikira bono iga emiremo abagavana bakokorera chibasire bakorwa na serikali yanene teriko chi yarorekana unebwenerete.
The allocation under 10%, Honorable Speaker, has moved from 19 million to 0, Honorable Speaker, just because the governors have reneged on a promise that they made, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, it is a behavior akin to not wanting anything from this House going forward, Honorable Speaker. It is like the governors have confirmed that they don't need this House either way as regards their budgetary allocation, Honorable Speaker. So we need your guidance on this matter. Do we have to transact on goodwill?
I mean, 10 billion, Honorable Speaker, is lying idle in some account. And the roads, even with these rains, Honorable Speaker, the roads are impassable. And even if we decided to give this money, Honorable Speaker, to these governors, they will not do them. They will not do them. Trust me. I am on record as having said, Honorable Speaker, that you will actually need a microscope to see what governors do across their counties, Honorable Speaker. Besides recruiting huge battalion, Honorable Speaker, for events so that they can... and Harambes, they have a group of people that move around with them in every meeting, and their work is just to cheer and clap for them, Honorable Speaker.
The governors have withdrawn from that case. The court made a determination against your interest. The last chance is tomorrow morning. If the negotiating team do not deliver a favorable result on the roads, on CDF and all other contentious issues, I shall stand here as the father of this House to reject what is contained in this order. And you know it. That's what you have alluded to. And please don't accept this order number 12. You have finished. Whatever you have done it, let me leave it there. It's not the end. It will come. So, Mr. Speaker, my conclusion is this. Nobody will be allowed to take this House for granted. And I want to remind you, read Article 1. Why did the framers of the current Constitution equate representation to sovereignty?
Honorable, I will urge honorable members that we need a Kamkunji tomorrow morning. We need a Kamkunji. We can no longer appropriate funds for them. First to go and loot, and then come and want more and more and more funds to loot. We cannot give them money to go and bribe their way to want to take everything from GAF, from CDF, from roads. Honorable Speaker, it is not going to be business as usual.
Honorable Speaker, I just wanted to persuade members that Division of Revenue Bill is a precursor for passage of supplementary estimates. So there will be no budget before we pass the Division of Revenue Bill. So let us be tolerant. Governors are very responsive. They are cooperating with us, even as we engage. So if we threaten that we will not pass the Division of Revenue Bill, it means there will be no budget in the first place. So I know these are very, very weighty matters, and they are matters that touch at the heart of most of our colleagues.
na mwanchu muligere gokorera nigo muraibu ense omoske William Samoei Ruto agendrete kwegerera bokongu omoroberio sha ase anyarika bagatabna kuwa mono ogochakwa kwalipa pole pole somoroberio sha nigo korachi gokonya abange bali baragende kwerikia somoroberio nabo igo kuboria abakenya bagende kwerikia insi omoroberio likonyora obokorerio buya korwa ase nyagitari awo.
And I want to thank many Kenyans, who see things positively, who are working with us towards making things work. As I said day before yesterday, citizens can now pay for their contributions to SHA. Those, of course, who cannot afford to pay, we have said we are going to pay for them as government. But those who have been assessed, and they can pay 300 or 500 or 1,000 or whatever it is, we are also giving them another option, that if they don't have the full 1 year premium, they can pay monthly. And now we've given them an exit. So as I said the other day, you can now lipa SHA pole pole, and you just need to go to *147# and you will travel the journey, and you will be able to be covered. The good news is that today, every Kenyan has a chance to go to hospital, be served, be treated, and pay using this government-sponsored, all-of-society SHA program. And the testimonies are all over the place. People who would never imagine that they would have a surgery and not sell their land or their livestock or call a harambe, that now they can be paid for using this facility, 100,000, 300,000, 1 million. So we are transforming this nation. We've had a difficult patch, but that is what nations are made from. You have to make the decisions that transform countries and nations. And those decisions are not necessarily easy or understood initially, but everybody comes around finally to know that this is good for Kenya.
Ntumo ligereri goikerabo ndokorera kionga chinsa ibera senchira yo boikeranu na kolende ningo gotiga sensema ya kabiro onyarka bogo konyora obosemi bwagatembe kurwaso mugaka ochoi nyambasora nje ningo ngorkwaro ne toto nyangire kurwansema imenyerio nigakorokwa Wilson Makoli samya transmission nigakorokwa Kevin Ongeli oside DJ Atsan na boigo maiga kamera Wilfred Matundra genda utorbuligili uja imiagetembe TV ekionga kya mamusi.
Bagaka ninjo, ninjo etembe, ninjo dorome, mangana mazi, bangina ninjo.
Aye, mutuli no turabioma, mutangi otatosire ire matongo makuru. Mutuli, ebioma byokona gutura, tumatiye mutangi yonga ikwa mutigete. Osire iroro kana uture ebioma gosembi mokonye. Ebioma byokona gutura ngai mutangi wale. Mutangi osire matongo makuru ino nkwana mono eregete erengeta abasamaro baminta abasamaro no sueta basamaro n'abasueta bone nkwana era nabuwa abantu barenga abaturi byoma bagutura bagutura abaturi byoma muturi no tura byoma mutangi osire matongo makuru data mono nyombe yoke mingi cyo musamaro na kerema eyo mukiro ngumbuwa n'umwana ukirimo utakiete bwoye wono mutangi wona abasamarario zo bakiete guki no bago tunga data mutangi mutuli no turabyoma mutangi osirere matongo makuru igo inyora kalbi ketikali baina ni tata nyole zabantu baho bali
Bagaka ninjo etembe, ninjo dorome, mangana mazi, bangina ninjo.
eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka echolide ili kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo iyo korose chirangi minse liga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira soko raisia ebintu buriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boyiko chire chechi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao nabono mbabwata chirangi cyo wakwa imeye nyumba isiko ya nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriye chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire chiri burike iriya gatigati gwikari guri iriya bantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo wochogane chirangi wikabuno uragane wochoganire erangiriga aseduke nyiganya Uhuru Superstores na wokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwa yanyora bwikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi nabwigo enyekenga enyumba yao use asomete use chire chibiasara nchibwato korelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke nyiganya Uhuru Superstores yegotoka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyo muchurigo musongo eyueranga neduka ya Safaricom Nigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene wingi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbutera sechi namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Uhuru na bwata.